In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Minecraft filter on Instagram. Now, first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and then go to this profile at HackPo. So go to that profile and then next up, click on the filter icon, which is right there. And then next up, you want to scroll down until you actually find the Minecraft filter right there. So right there, you have one Minecraft filter, which you can use, but in this video, I'm going to show you this one. So click on it. Then that's the filter. Then you can click on try it. And then you can actually go ahead and use this filter yourself. You can select all of these different filters. As you can see right there, there are tons of different filters. So these are all the filters, and then you can just take a selfie and share this in your story. And that's exactly how you can get the Minecraft filter on Instagram. If this works, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel down below if you're new. And then yeah, that's it. Enjoy the Minecraft filter. Peace out.